Hello everybody and welcome to yet another quick overview of the distributed systems lecture. Now, the topic that we're going to be studying in the following two lectures refers to how we can do remote operation calls, remote procedure calls, and how we can give the user the illusion that these remote procedure calls are actually happening very quickly. So basically, this is definitely a fundamental concept in distributed systems, regardless of whether you're looking at synchronous calls such as RMI or asynchronous calls such as a asynchronous RPC, or even a socket-based connection, which is what we'll be using for assignment 2. So we're going to see at what are the techniques and the procedures for making it look towards the user that the remote procedure calls or the calls to the server are pretty much instantaneous. And this in this lecture, we're going to look at a couple of methods for hiding this, and then we're also going to look at what happens in a remote procedure call with respect to the communication between the client that makes a request and the server. Basically, how is it that we can transmit stuff across, how we can do marshalling or serialization and deserialization, which is what it's called nowadays. The idea being that if you want to send something across, you're going to package it in a format that is readable by the server, and then you're going to send it across. When the server receives this package, the server will unpack whatever it is that it has received, and then it's going to look at the objects and the data that is sent across. Now, of course, both the client and the server, they need to have a common method for packing and unpacking things, such that one process is the reverse of the other. Okay, so then I'll see you at the lecture, and we'll talk more about it there.